Hey friends, I want to show you a really quick, what I'm going to call a hack for how you may be able to get Starlink completely for free. Now, first of all, I want to show you this deal that's going on right now at the time of this video. We're going to put our referral link in the description box below where you can grab this. But basically you can see that for $49 a month for residential light service, that's an incredible deal. This used to be way more. So 49 bucks a month for the first year is an awesome deal. And then you actually get the kit, meaning the satellite here, the receiver, plus your router and the power cable, all of that for 89 bucks. And actually in some states, it looks like the standard kit may actually be free. You can see up here the hardware cost. Potentially you'll have to check your area. So first of all, this deal is absolutely incredible. Again, check out our referral link in the description box if you'd like to sign up for this low rate. Now, all this is really great, but let me show you this hack for how you can potentially get your service for free. Okay, so Starlink has this referral program. So I'm actually utilizing this. This is why I'm making this video. So basically, if you refer Starlink and somebody uses your referral code or your referral link, then I'll get a free month and you'll get a free month. So again, if you're interested in doing this, definitely use my code. It'd be super helpful for me in the channel. And what you can do is you can sign up through that link. You walk through the process. Your first month, you do get billed that 49 bucks if you use a residential light. But then if you use my link, you'll get your second month basically for free. Then you can do what I'm doing. Make a video, tell your friends about it, email them the links. And then basically, as you can see, they get a free month and then you get a free month for them signing up as well. I'm really hoping I can get maybe 12 people to sign up this year, which would give me the entire year for free and beyond. So that is the way you can potentially get this for free. Again, it does require you to share the service. We actually love this. I have no problems trying to hype this program. Now in the middle of Colorado where our cabin is, we got Starlink because it was the only option for internet. And I'll be honest, friends, like it really is kind of like this experience where you set up your antenna and then within minutes you get online. And we actually have been getting really legitimate service. I can confirm that we were getting over 300 megabits per second on the download speeds. The upload speeds were a little bit lower, maybe around 50 megabits per second. But again, this residential light service, I think for most people, it's going to be great. Friends, I hope that helps. Again, it's a small little hack, but it could be really, really beneficial for you for free Starlink. Again, use that referral link that's in the description box below so I can get a free month, you can get a free month, we can keep this going. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. We make a bunch more of these little tech hack and tutorial videos. We'll see you again on the next one.